7 essential strategies. Now we get into this transformative parenting और हम इसको एक एक करके आगे लेके चलेंगे. You have this paper with you. Do you all have it? Yes. So my request would be that whatever final notes that you plan to write down, just write down in this. And बहुत अच्छा हो if you can actually get a double tape back at home and put it at a place where you can see it them every day so that it works as a reminder for you, right? Makes sense? Let's start. The first thing is sign up consciously. It's not that, I mean, parenting is not like that Facebook agreement just where you drag down and say, I agree. Hello? Yes or no? I mean, that has to be a very conscious sign up. Your capability to become a parent is biological. But parenting itself is psychological. Don't let these two things overlap. You see, we are planning a child. You know, आपको social education होती है, वक्फा, ये वो सब सिखाया जाता है. But ये नहीं सिखाया जाता कि what is it to prepare yourself to be a parent. So what is, let's try to understand what am I talking about, or just say I'll give some time to reflect upon tables and we may take questions. सबसे पहले तो ये कि if you decide to be a parent, which most of you have already done, it's a minimum 20 years project if done right. Yes or no? Minimum. वो भी तब जब सही किया. जब सही नहीं किया इंतकाल तक का प्रोजेक्ट है ये. बट अगर सही कर लिया तो मिनिमम 20 साल का प्रोजेक्ट है. हेलो? यस. मैं बोल दो, I don't believe it's a conservative society. I believe it's a Hippocratic society. There's a difference between this. A conservative society would not talk anything in their bedroom and drawing room as well. A Hippocratic society talks something there and talks something here. इसमें फर्क है. हमारे यहाँ आज अगर स्कूल में आप, और इसीलिए भी I didn't wanted kids to be here because I wanted to talk very freely. I don't know how you receive this, but I think this is important conversations. इतने अरसे इस मुल्क में इस पे झगड़ने में लग गया कि हमें सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट की ट्रेनिंग, बच्चों को अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने की ट्रेनिंग देनी है कि नहीं देनी है. उस पे मंतकें तय होती रही कि इससे जरूरी है कि नहीं है. इंटेलिजेंस तो वैसे ही हमारा नेक्स्ट लेवल है.